In this video, I will share with you how to add a video in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to the website you want to add a video on, click on this edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger website builder, and to add a video, it's simple. Just click on elements, then drag and drop this video element like that. Click on edit video. Here, fill in your video link. It can be from YouTube or Vimeo. This is my YouTube video link. As you see, automatically after inserting my YouTube link, the YouTube thumbnail showed up here. You can autoplay this video from here, and this feature doesn't work on mobile devices. You can also make this video in a loop, which means it will repeat itself after finishing playing. You can also show video controls for Vimeo videos. Now place your video where you want it to be. You can also add animation to this video. Just go to the animation tab and you can select this fade animation. This is a slide and this is the scale. I will go with the scale. You can also duplicate this video like that, for example, to insert them like that. And if you want to make a section, a video section, just click on add section, then select, where is it, video, select the video section template that you want. For example, let's go with this one or this one. You will see this video section and you can keep using your own videos. Let's paste my video, YouTube video here, and now click on update website. Let's view my website live. And just like that, I have this video section with this big title, and this is the video I've added manually. As you see, they auto-played themselves. And this is how to add a video in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.